Hello everyone, I hope you all are having a blessed day. Welcome back to my channel. I have a get ready with me using Believe Beauty. I think I only had one or two products out of the Believe Beauty line. Jamming out to some Little Peep Haunt You right there. If you haven't checked Little Peep out, you definitely should, especially the Haunt You song. And I have a few new Believe Beauty products to try out because I did go out amidst the chaos. You'll see a haul soon if it isn't already up. Well, first I used the hard candy primer to prime my face because it's in my project pan. I'm trying to use it up. This is the Believe Beauty foundation and it is in porcelain, and I'm using the Believe Beauty brush as well. The Believe Beauty brushes and sponges are actually really good quality for their prices. I'll show you as I apply this foundation, like a side by side between my face. This is a really good foundation. It has buildable coverage. I've done reviews on a lot of the products that you'll see in this get ready with me today, and I'm just applying that, buffing the skin with that brush, and see the comparison. Like, it covers really well. Today I just went for like a medium kind of coverage. I like this foundation. Nothing in this brand is over $5, so I definitely recommend trying them out if you're in the Dollar General for some essentials or whatever have you. Definitely pick some of these products up because Believe Beauty is a very great brand. I love dollar store makeup, but this brand can compete with the higher ups. And that is Believe Beauty sponge, and I'm just using that to, like, you know, press in the product and, you know, blend it just furthermore into the skin. And that was the WetnWild Photofocus concealer. Like I said, a couple of the products aren't Believe Beauty, but we're gonna blend that out under our eyes, give a little highlight and under eye coverage. And I'm trying to use those products up that are not Believe Beauty that I've shown in this video. I'm going to blend that over the eyelid as well. Now this is a new product for me. This is their matte blur powder. They have this in translucent, light medium, which is what I have, and a darker tone one. And I'm using that to set my under eyes. It's a bit dark for the under eyes, I will say. For the rest of the face though, I love the way it applied, finely milled, decent added coverage. I could definitely see myself in the future wearing this powder with some concealer and buffing the powder in. I've been loving the way loose powders look on my skin lately, and normally I'm a pressed powder girl, but I'm loving these loose powders. I love how that looks on my skin. It really does help blur out and add a little coverage, sets the makeup. I don't have any issues or creasing. Loved it. Milani eyeshadow primer, and this is the other new product I have, and this is a universal brow kit. So you get 3 different brow colors, and you get a wax in there, and you get this little angled brush and spoolie. Now some of these clips I did want to film both eyebrows in the video, but some of the clips got cut short because my camera kept dying, so I had to go charge it. I'm gonna get a new camera soon. This battery is done in this one. I just been wanting a new camera anyway, so. And I like this brow product. I did use the darkest shade for my brows personally. The brush is a little bit small, and I do go back in with a Q-tip and clean those up. I'm also gonna use that KleanColor Archway brow pencil, and it's just a brow highlighter, and I just use that to kind of perfect and bring a highlight there. I think this brow shade in the palette is like perfect for me. I feel like this is a good universal product like it suggests, but however, I do think that if you had darker hair than mine, like a true black, you might not be able to get away with using the shades in here. I like it that they are cool toned, and I also want to say that when you look at them in the pan, they look a bit like they have shimmer to them, but once they apply in the eyebrow, they don't. This is also a new product that I picked up, and this is their brow gel, and I just picked this up in clear, and I love that tiny brush. Thank you, Tasha, for the recommendation. I'm going to link her channel below, you guys. You guys have to go check out Tasha's channel. She does amazing videos. She's so fun. Hey girl, hey. Love you. And I wanted to do a side-by-side comparison of a regular brow gel I have and the Believe Beauty one, and look at that precise little brush compared to a regular one that I have. And you see my little boy raising the curtain there. And I really love that it made my eyebrows last all day. They weren't crunchy or anything like that. I really like that. It did help the brows stay all day. Now this palette here is also from Believe Beauty, and it's the highlight, blush, and bronzer trio. I think the bronzer is a bit dark for my skin, but I use it anyways. This is just the one with like that peachy blush in it. It has a really beautiful golden highlight in there, and I make sure that I buff all those shades out with my big buffer from ELF. I'm just gonna buff all that out, so you'll see me put my highlight, my bronzer, and the blush all on. None of these products, again, are over $5. They're amazing, you guys. You really should try Believe Beauty if you haven't. So what have you guys been doing at home? Real quickly, I'm gonna I got this idea from a subscriber. I watched faux freckles before. Not that I need any help in this area because I have tons of freckles. But I decided to take this Believe Beauty eyeliner and make some fake freckles. You know, not the greatest. But it was fun anyways. Connor and I and John had a picnic outside in our own yard. So that was fun. And we ate. Connor had toys. It was so much fun. And I got sunburnt a little bit. Yeah. And that was Believe Beauty setting spray. Love this setting spray, you guys. Seriously. If you don't get anything from these lines, try their eyeshadows and their setting spray. It's awesome. These are also Believe Beauty eyeshadow brushes. The only two they have in their line. So it's a blending brush and an eyeshadow brush. And this palette is so pretty and perfect for everyday, day and night looks. And we're going to use this to create this very quick look. I did not speed this up very fast, you guys. I just sped it up just a little bit for time's sake. But I'm going to take the lightest vanilla shade, the matte vanilla shade in the palette. And I'm applying that from the lid all the way up into the brow bone. We're going to start with this blank canvas. And I just wanted this to almost be in real time. So this clip here is 2 minutes and 40 seconds. It's, like I said, it's sped up just a little bit. But I wanted you guys to see how quickly it is to achieve this quick look using just a couple shades from this palette. And we're applying the darkest shade in the outer corner, and this is almost like a coffee bean kind of shade with a reddish undertone to it. And it's also matte, and I'm just messily kind of placing that in the crease line right now. I'm using that orbital bone as a guide. I'm just blending that in and building up the shade little by little. Now 2 minutes and 40 seconds unsped up per eye. So 6 minutes can achieve this eye look, just the eyeshadow part, but it's so quick and easy. I love how this look actually turned out. If you're interested in other Believe Beauty content, there'll be a playlist in the cards in the description box as well, so you guys can see all the Believe Beauty's videos I've done. We're also blending this against our lower lash line. Honestly, I think I took it down a little too far, but that's okay. I didn't go anywhere. We just stayed home. And just a simple look. You also could take one of the shimmery shades in the palette and use that on the lid as well. We're taking that same vanilla shade and blending down against the edges of that crease line. And it just blends out really easily, really nicely, quickly. These shadows are very good quality for the price. Now that beautiful champagne shade, I'm taking on a Q-tip and I'm applying that in the inner corner. I just wanted to show you guys a quick basic get ready with me, what I would do if I was like going out to the doors. This is kind of a look I would probably wear to church. So a very quick kind of look I would do in the mornings, get out the door if I was feeling like wearing makeup, wear it to church. Maybe tone down the outer corner and the crease a little bit, but you know. Believe Beauty's Long Lasting Eyeliner Caviar, great eyeliner. Also that was AOA Studio, shadow pencil, just a nude shade for the waterline. And this is the Believe Beauty Hydrama Fiberized Mascara. This mascara is okay, but the trick to this mascara to make it really good is you do one coat, allow it time to have a little dryness in between that, and then you start building that mascara up, and it gives you so much volume to your lashes. They do start looking like you have some natural false lashes on. I really like it. Now, just to go along with the Believe Beauty, I wanted to do a red lip today, but I'm going to use their Satin Crush lipstick that I have in Soft Rose. Very beautiful, pink and soft. They have probably 5 or 6 shades to choose from in their Satin Crush line. But that's the finished look, the finished Get Ready With Me, the full face. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Maybe we'll try Believe Beauty out for your stuff if you haven't already. Now they are doing newer products, you guys. My stores have not gotten any of them in, such a bummer, but I can't wait until we can find them. And I thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Stay tuned for more Believe Beauty. Check the description box for a product list as well as Believe Beauty links. Check all of that good stuff out. Hope you guys are having a blessed day. Thank you so much for watching.